Hi, welcome to my R3P channel. Today I want to talk about coin lithium batteries. That is because my taillight on my bicycle wasn't working because the batteries needs replacing. These are CR2032. So I went to my local dollar store, and all they had was the CR2025. So you might be wondering whether I could use these instead of the CR2032s. And basically they're the same. They both are 3 volts, and they both have the same diameter. The only difference is the thickness. This is the 32 is thicker than the 25. So if you're wondering what the 2032 means, the first 2 digits 20 means it's 20 millimeters across, and 32 means it's 3.2 millimeters thick. So regarding the CR2025, it would be 20 millimeters across and 2.5 millimeter thick. Now I normally don't shop for these batteries or my watch batteries from a dollar store, but since it's only for a taillight on my bicycle, I did. If I'm buying batteries for my watch, expensive watch, or for my aim point red dot, well, of course I would buy the name brand, the more expensive ones. These only cost me $1 for 3 of them. So let's try it out, see if it works in this taillight. So here's the 2025. I put one in. I need 2 of them, and I'm going to it does. The only problem I can hear is that it rattles because the difference in the thickness. So to solve that problem, I got a tin foil, about 1 square inch, and I fold it about 3-4 times, something like that. Then put it in. To make up for the difference in the thickness. Let's see if that works. It does. And it doesn't rattle at all. So there you have it. If you're wondering if you could use the 2025 in place of the 2032, you can. Now, however, because these are thicker and these are thinner, these would obviously last longer. Please subscribe. Thank you very much for joining me.